Hello guys, this is your programming guru. This is our lecture 12. Today we are going to learn array. Basically, the definition of array is it is the collection of elements of same data type together is called an array. There are different data types of array. First comes integer, second is float, third double, and last is character. In short, char. Now, when we use arrays, or what is the need to create an array? So, when this same data type is needed in the whole code, then we create array or use array. You will be able to understand this in further lecture. So don't worry if you are not understand this statement. So now I'm explaining it. Just suppose that we need to use these variables in this code, that we need to take integer a, b, c, d and e. It is necessary to take 5 variables in a code, right? And we want to give values to it as a equals to 10, b equals to 20, c 30, d 40, e 50, right? Then instead of using 5 variables, we can simply create an array of only one variable, as all have same data type integer. So we can simply write the code as integer a of 5 is equals to, in this curly brackets, 1 2 3 4 5. Basically what it does is that it shortens the lines of code, so that when we actually run this program, the compiler does not have to take much of pressure on it and can run very easily and very quickly, whereas in the previous case it took a lot of time. Although this time is in microseconds only, but when the code goes bigger and bigger in professional level, then the whole thing would take a lot of time and would not run as effectively as we want. So basically, and also remember this thing, that we use same variable for different values, but all values have different locations. Means that in this curly brackets 1 2 3 4 5, here 1 has position as 0 and 2 has position as 1, 3 has 2, 4 has 3 and 5 has 4. Remember this thing, many children make this kind of mistakes where they take position of 1 as 1 only, not 0, which creates big errors in their codes. So here 0 1 2 3 4 are different locations of 1 2 3 4 in same variable a. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel, Programming Guru. Thank you guys.